Since when Igbanke people say they not be Benin, a lot of Igbos just happy. I don't know why they are happy. Is there a big deal there? Since they are not Benins, it's okay. Let us wait for the Benin palace to reply. So probably they've not heard this, but maybe they've heard it. They will also reply. So let us wait. We have to wait for the outcome of this whole thing. If they happy, they tell you say the whole tribes in Benin are all Benins. They tell you it is not all tribes in Edo State that are Benin. Some were conquered. Some were there already before. They were there already, but they were conquered by the Benin Empire. They tell you see now all of them in Benin. A lot of them migrated, while some were conquered. Those ones that were conquered, they are not Benins, but they are under the Benin Empire because they were conquered. They are conquered people. Now the subjects of the palace. They appear. One take waiting. What's the portion of that land? How large is that land? How large is it? And you dey talk now. The Anambra in question, are they not Benin migrants in that place? People that migrated from Benin Empire down to that place, they not dey Igbo land. They not fall Anambra. Matters are not based on argument. It is based on fact. And I'm not Igbanke. We are Igbanke, we are not Benin. We are Igbanke, not Benin. That's your argument. That is your only talk. Go on live video now. That is the only talk. We are Igbanke, we are not Benin. We are Igbanke. Those are arguments. Give us facts that you are not Benins. Give us facts. You cannot tell us your own history. You know, they argue. I don't check. I don't do research. I discovered that Igbanke was made up of 6 villages from Benin, 6 communities, plus data, which they didn't specify the particular tribe in data, and some Igbo people. Now you come together, form Igbanke. 3 groups, 3 tribes. 3 tribes come together and form something. What are they? Mixed blood. Mixed blood. That is what they have. They have just to say we are not this, we are this, or we are not this, we are not this. You know, the youth that is an Igbanke that is saying you are not a Benin person. You tell us your history. We understand that Igbanke was made up of 3 tribes. And you come together. So you will be Igbanke. Now you tell us that what you will know, no correct, see your history. This is where you migrated from. This is how you came from Igbo land. This is the particular tribe you came from Igbo. This is the particular state that you came from Igbo land. This was how you settled there. Tell us now, that place far, east far from that place. So. East far from Orion, from Edo. East far away.
You all have heard what that Benin person said. He said that many Igbos are happy because Igbanke people are saying that they are not Benin people. What do you expect we Igbos to do? We are expected to be happy that our brothers are now coming back to embrace their identity. I don't know why many Benin people are crying because Igbanke people are saying that they are not Benin people. He said that since Igbanke people said that they are not Benin people, that they should wait for the Benin palace to reply. So if the Oba of Benin now see the post, what are you Benin people expecting him to do? Are you expecting him to carry the Nigerian army and invade Igbanke people? Igbanke is Igbo and there's nothing you people can do about it. He said that not all tribes in Edo State are Benin people. That some were conquered and that some were already there before they were conquered by the Benin Empire. Now, you conquered people and you are still claiming that the people you conquered are Benin people. You conquered people that don't speak Benin language. And even after you conquered them, they are still not speaking Benin language. There was never a time where Benin Kingdom conquered Igbanke people. And that's why Igbanke people are not speaking Benin language. You conquer person, the person not they speak your language. Nigeria was colonized by the British. And that is why Nigeria is speaking English till date. But that does not mean that Nigerians are British people or British descendants. I don't know how these Benin people reason. Just carry camera, put for face, they talk rubbish. He said that those that were conquered are now under the Benin Palace and that they are subjects under the Benin Palace. In this 21st century, are we still in the era whereby your Oba go and invade people, killing people, using people for sacrifice? Are we still in empire era? We are now in a democratic country. We are no longer in the past. And you still want Igbanke people that speak separate language, have their own kings, to be under your Oba. You are calling the king of another person subjects to the Oba of Benin. Many Benin people don't have sense, and these people are proving it to us that they don't have sense. I just gave an example that British conquered Nigeria, colonized Nigeria. We are speaking English, but we are not British people. We are not English people. We still remain who we are. Your Oba was not the one that put their kings there, and you are here talking rubbish. He said that many Anambra people are Benin people, that many Benin people migrated from Benin to Anambra State. For his information, there are no Benin people in Anambra State. Anambra State are not Benin people. Those people you see in Onitsha and some other parts of Anambra State, they are descendants of Ezechime. Ezechime, the founder of Onitsha, is not a Benin man. He has no Benin blood in him. Ezechime is a full-blooded Igbo man. Benin people are mistaking migration and ancestry as the same thing. You said that that land called Benin Kingdom was conquered by Benin people. Now, they conquered that land and people started migrating out from that land to other places. So how are you people now claiming that people that left the land because of your invasion, because of your evil attitude, how are you now claiming that those people are Benin people? He not should see many of these people not get sense. Firstly, he claimed that people that were conquered by Benin people are now Benin people. Now he's now claiming that people that left that land because of Benin invasion are now Benin people. Egwo, ndi Benin, Egwo. A descendant of Ezechime is not a Benin person. They are Igbos. The Obi of Onitsha, Obi Achebe, Obi Anyigadigide, he say, he have always debunked you Benin people, telling you that Ezechime is an Igbo man and not a Benin man. Benin people are only claiming Onitsha online, making videos, saying all sort of rubbish. But fear will never allow them go to the Obi palace and tell him that rubbish, because he have warned them severally not to ever come to his kingdom to tell him that they should connect Benin and Onitsha. Onitsha people are not Benin people. There are no Benin people in Anambra State. When Onitsha people settled there, were they speaking Benin language? No, they are speaking Igbo language. Everybody come from Benin. Ndioshi. You keep forcing Benin identity on people that speak Igbo language. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? He said that Igbanke people trace their ancestry to Benin, to some tribes in Delta states, and to Igbo people. And because of that, Igbanke people are mixed blood. You see how he's stressing it, saying that they are mixed blood. Mixed blood is a lie. There are no Igbanke people that trace their ancestry to Benin. Igbanke people are of Igbo origin. Igbanke kings all said that they are Ika Igbo and not Benin. They did not say they are Ika Benin. They said they are Ika Igbos. Igbanke people are ancient Igbos living in that land. The Oba of Benin did not appoint any Igbanke king, both in ancient times till now. Those kings have been existing before the Oba of Benin came from Ile-Ife and invaded Idu kingdom. If Igbanke people want to talk about their ancestry, some of them trace their ancestry to the southeast. Some in Anyoma here. All these things did not happen today. Since ancient times. We are talking about the ancient time that predates the existence of Benin. So not be today. You Benin people that are just 900 years old have no right to tell us our history. He's saying that Igbanke people are mixed blood. Are Benin people not mixed blood? Oromia that gave birth to Benin people came from Ile-Ife. He's the grandson of Oduduwa, a Yoruba man. He came to Idu kingdom, impregnated an Igodomi woman, and that union gave birth to the first Oba of Benin. Now tell me, are the whole Obas of Benin till date not Yoruba people? They are Yoruba people. Forget all these lies called history that Benin people are propagating online, saying that Oduduwa is from Benin. There's no Benin before 900 years ago. Benin people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Late Chief Esobam of Benin, in person of Chief Edebiri, he said that Oromia came from Ile-Ife, that his own family, that they greet La Uhe, that they came from Ile-Ife, which shows that they are Yoruba people, not Idu people. And this boy is here saying that Igbanke people are mixed blood. Secondly, Esan people mixed up with this Benin people. Thirdly, Igodomi people that this Yoruba people now called Benin invaded. They mixed up with Igodomi people. Fourthly, the indigenous Igbos in Idu kingdom mixed up with this Yoruba people now called Benin. 4 different ancestries now. The ancient Urobo people and the Soko people were living in that land before Yoruba people now called Benin came from Ile-Ife. How many mixtures now? 6 mixtures. These 6 different tribes gave birth to Benin language that you see today. So many of these tribes were captured and made slaves by the Oba of Benin. And those slaves were integrated as part of Benin people. They started speaking Benin language, and those slaves gave birth to these Benin people that you are seeing today. Look at this Benin history book here. This page is from that Benin red book that they call history. Look at it here. I'm not the one that said it. It's their history book. And that's why many of these Benin people come out today and say that they are Ovien Oba. What is the meaning of Ovien Oba? Oba slave. They call themselves Oba slave. And they still have the right to come online and be telling you that all of them Benin people are royalty. You be royalty, you they call yourself Ovien Oba. Only the Oba of Benin is royalty, not all these Benin people that you are seeing calling themselves royalty. You they claim royalty and you are a descendant of slaves. Now, are Benin people not mixed blood? They are mixed blood because they don't have one origin. Different tribes in ancient Idu kingdom made up Benin population that you see today. That's why if you look at Benin language today, so many Yoruba words are inside. So many Esan words are inside. Igodomi words are inside. Igbo words are inside. What they even call civet, what Benin people call civet is Ediabani. The same name that we call civet in Igbo land. Now, is Ediabani a Benin word? No, it's an Igbo word. What they call red oil in Benin is Ofibo. What is Ofibo? It's Ofe Igbo. Ofe Igbo. Ofebo, that is that word red oil is Ofebo. Ancient soup, ancient oil. But Benin people call it Ofibo. The original word is Ofebo. In Ukwane, what we call red oil is Ofibo. Ika people call red oil Ofibo. Urobo people call red oil Ofibo. The name Ofibo is of Igbo origin. Yet, that is what Benin people call red oil. So, Benin language is made up of so many tribes. Those tribes make up Benin population that you see today. They now speak Benin, but they are of different origin. And this boy have the right to be telling us, Igbanke people are mixed blood. You be mixed blood, they call another person mixed blood. The boy said that Igbanke people are claiming that they are from Southeast, that they are Igbo people. And he said that Igbanke location now is very far from Southeast. That Southeast is very far from Igbanke. He forgot that the entire South are Southeast. Because many of these people, they don't know geography. If you look at Nigeria map, all the South and the entire Southeast are known as Southeast. Nigeria have made them to believe that it's only this Igbo speaking region is Southeast. It's all lies. Edo State land is Southeast. Delta State land is Southeast. Bayelsa State is Southeast. River State is Southeast. Akwa Ibom State is Southeast. Cross River State is Southeast. He's thinking that Southeast is only the 5 Igbo states. It's a lie. We Anioma people are southeast. Southeast is not from River Niger. The entire Anioma land is southeast. You can't divide us. I don't too intelligent for where these people they don't know anything. They will always fail. See, Igbanke people are Igbo people. There is nothing you Benin people can do about it. Take us to court, we go still come court. I don't tell you say if the matter pass states, we go carry and go federal. Nigeria law states that every community that speaks a separate language is autonomous. So you Benin people cannot force Benin language on Igbanke people. They said that they are not under the Oba of Benin, and you Benin people, you must respect the choice of Igbanke people. Ishie Wale.